Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to do a running head in APA format. Mostly students' papers do not require a running head unless your instructor specifically requests one. So only professional papers requires it. If you need to add one in Microsoft Word, you need to follow these steps. So first you need to open the header section. For this you need to double click on the top margin of your document, and then you need to click on the insert and then click on the header, and you can also click on the edit header to enable it. So again click on the insert, and now this time you need to click on the page number and click on the top of page and select the plain number 3. So your cursor will automatically place immediately to the left of the page number. And now type your paper title in all caps. Make sure it should be maximum 50 characters including spaces and punctuations. So turn on the caps locks and type it technology of AI era. And now press tab button on your keyboard once or twice to push the page number back to the far right while keeping your title on the far left. So now select the title, go to the home and make sure it should be Times New Roman or it is Calibri. I'll be selecting Times New Roman and change the font size to 11. And now double click anywhere in the main body of your document to close the header section. So this way you can easily add a running head in APA format. So moreover, if you want to apply the similar running head page number 2, you need to enter it and go to the page number, and here you can see that it has been added on the page number 2. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.